基隆河是有涨潮一个情况，因此你可以看到呢，这个复兴航空在断了几节之后呢，这个有部分的机身、机头的部分的。
The CVR revealed that Captain Liao Qian-sung inadvertently shut down the functioning Engine 1, while Engine 2 had auto-feathered after detecting a fault. The aircraft was flying on zero thrust with functioning engines still attached to it. The crew never identified which engine had actually failed.
Before hitting the water, in fact, some debris from the plane hit a taxi, sending its driver to hospital. The majority of passengers are from mainland China, members of two tour groups on the plane. This is the second catastrophic crash for TransAsia Airways in the last 7 months.
The CVR and FDR combined revealed the crew completed the after-start checklist but skipped the flap/slat check. The co-pilot called out correct values without physically verifying them. The takeoff configuration warning, which would have alerted the crew, was silenced because the same sensor fuse that had overheated earlier in the day had been removed by maintenance. The aircraft stalled 6 seconds after rotation. The plane tried to take off twice. The second time, it had a known fault, a deactivated warning system, and flaps that were never set. 154 people died in 12 seconds. The CVR is one of the most complete and damning in NTSB history. The pilots climbed to flight level 410, 41,000 feet, the aircraft's maximum operational ceiling, for fun, with no passengers. Both engines flamed out due to compressor stalls from turbine temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Celsius above the maximum limit of 900 degrees Celsius. The crew spent 32 minutes attempting restarts before declaring an emergency. The captain's last recorded words were "Gonna hit houses." The NTSB found the jackscrew assembly had not been lubricated for 2,958 flight hours beyond its maintenance interval. The gimbal nut had worn down almost completely. In the final 6 minutes, the crew inverted the aircraft, flying upside down, attempting to relieve pressure on the stabilizer and regain pitch control. The CVR recorded the captain telling ATC, "We're in a dive here." The last sound on the CVR was the water impact.